Hello, I'm Nicola. Today, as requested, we're going to draw Gnasher from Dennis the Menace. Dennis's dog. Okay, so I'm going to start with his ears. Make sure I get his feet on. Right, let's keep my computer on. Here we go. Make sure I can copy him and don't forget anything off. Right, the inner of his ears, like a tunnel. Okay, I'll do the other ear now, so I know where his fur on his ear is going to stop. Okay, he's got some fur inside his ears actually, so I've had to start there. So he's got rounded fur, but it's all messy. Needs a brush, I think. It comes down to there, and then it goes inside the ear. Sorry, I'm just copying the picture I've got in front of me. Comes out a little bit. Okay, so we're going to bring it round here, and then I've noticed it goes for his body. It starts going out and round, and the same on that side. It's nice and random because he's a scruffy dog. So take your time, nice and slow. You don't need to rush it. Make sure you can do some random shapes. Make it all messy. Not too messy, but a bit messy. I need to stop because I'm going to put a leg in. Okay. We'll do the leg next. He's got knobbly knees and he only drew a straight line. Then I'm going to draw that knee on first. I'm going to do the same on that side because I don't want to draw over his knee because I'm drawing with a pen. I would suggest you draw with a pencil and you'll need a rubber. I usually say that at the beginning and forgot. Rubber and pencil. I don't draw straight away with a pen. Always draw with a rubber. I'm going to stop there because I need to put his foot on. Always draw with a rubber. Always draw with a pencil. Then I can rub out if I make a mistake. So I'm going to come down, stop around there. Now I'm going to do his foot. Which way do I do it? Because there's a technique here because he's got his toes to make it easier to do feet. I don't want to draw that. Right, I'm going to come round here. I'm going to stop there, go up there. So you come round and up. Just makes it easy. That motion is easier to draw rather than trying to draw his feet. There we go. 4 toes, same as Dennis. It's usually they draw, you can see the back leg on this. There's usually a lot of cartoons have 3 fingers and 3 toes because it's easier to draw. But Dennis the Menace is different. If you're doing your own cartoons, bear in mind that it is easier. It's like if you're doing a continuous story where you're making a children's book or comic, or it's easier to do 3 fingers and a thumb than it is to do 4. Holding things different positions, but if you're confident enough you could do 4 if that's what you want. It's just remember you've got to keep drawing. You're drawing, stop there, and then I'm going to do this next bit and stop there. I've noticed it goes down into his foot, that line, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to do that bit first and then I need to add his little toe there. Okay. Now these toes are going that way, so like I was doing that way on this side, we're going to do it that way this time, okay? So we're going to do knobbly toes. No, he's not got knobbly, he has a bit knobbly toes. Like the same. I think that I need to do mine a little bit more like that. Next one. I'm not used to drawing 4 toes. I need to join that to there. There's his legs coming in. Get in there. I might do this side and then I can put his face on. So I've got the whole shape of him. So I'm going to start, I'm going to do the same. Random, smooth, round, slightly rounded. I'm going to draw it coming down maybe here, if that's what they've done. Yes, so it shows his fur is starting to bend downwards with the weight, and then it's coming out for his body. Okay, I'm going to come, where we're coming to, oh, we're going to go to here first. His leg is in front. Okay, so I'm going to do this bit next. And I've noticed something I've forgotten to draw, which I thought I would forget. I'm going to do it now, so I don't forget. You can see his back leg there peeping out. There we go. Right, next, what do we need? He's got fur on top of his legs here, just 1, 2 blobs, and then the same on that side. There we go. That's his fur coming through. Fringe. He's got a fringe. That's cool. It makes him look a bit mean. His fringe, low fringe. So if you ever want to suggest a draw along, what character you'd like me to draw, it could be a famous character, or it could be anything you'd like me to draw as a cartoon, get in touch, or email me, or you can comment, or message me on my Facebook page, which is Captain Cuthbert and Scat the Cat. If you type that into Facebook, it should come in. So we're getting round to his face now. Okay, let me look at the picture again, making sure. Yes, it's starting to come downwards. Sorry, that's my little sauce. Every time, do you know, every video, you watch any video, she's on it. I don't know if that's the post coming, so to be fair, she's just... It's okay, Annie. Thank you. Mummy knows now. Yeah, Callum. Mummy knows. Yeah, she's my baby. Right, so we're going to come in. Is it in? And now he's starting to bound around, I've noticed. To around there. Okay. Now then, do I need to go out here? Start going out. Yes, I need to come down here. Like that. I'm just going to do each side at the time so I can level. Similar distance here to and here. Not perfect distance, but similar. Okay, now then I'm going to come do some lines here. I'm going to bring his jawline in now. So I'm going to go round, and he's got a little bit of a chin here, so I'm going to pop that in first. And then I can draw his jawline. There we go. If you find your hand is uncomfortable, like mine is a little bit there, you can turn your paper to the direction you want to go. There's his jaw. I've got to not to forget to put his freckles on. So now he's got a frown, so we're going to put that in there. Frowning. And he's got a monobrow going on. There we go. That's what they're called, isn't it? Yeah, what do you call them, monobrows? I think they are. So again, same eyes as Dennis the Menace. I'm going to come there and stop. And come there and stop. Most cartoons have a line down here, but Dennis the Menace is different, which is good. Nice to do different. You can do the same. Make your own up. Make your own. Make it unique to you, your picture. Okay, now he's got a line there as well on his nose. And then I've stopped there for a reason, because I need to put his little... He's got a little snout going on there. There we go. Right, now then the mouth. A little bit tricky, but we'll give it a go. He's got a different mouth. Notice, so he's got some cheeks here. And then we've got this here. Different there. Usually a lot of cartoons just have that to make them smile in just a U shape. But Gnasher is different. It comes down there. He's got a line here, which I'm going to pop in first. And I'm going to put his freckles in. How many has he got? 1, 2, 4, 5 freckles. 1, 2, and then 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Same on that side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that doesn't go down to his teeth. I'm going to draw his teeth at the bottom first because I don't want to go down too far. So I'm going to draw his bottom of his teeth. Oh, my computer's going off. I need that. I can't memorise him like I do with my own cartoons. I want to go all the way down and stop there because I need to draw his jawline coming up. Maybe go a little bit further. Okay. And next I'm going to draw, oh, it comes from here. It comes from his grin here. Okay, so how far down? I'm going to come from, is it this? Oh, it comes from his cheek. I was going to put it there. Interesting. Need to keep looking, don't I? Got to draw that one. Makes it a bit easier. Okay, and then it comes round here and joins to the same point. So from here, it's going to come down. So it's going to go round, underneath his jaws, and connect to the same bit. Okay, now I can draw his teeth. There we go. I've made a botch up there, haven't I? Oh, botched up there. To colour him in later. I don't want to colour him in now while you're watching. Right. So, bit of a botch there. Never mind, I'll sort that out. So he's got a line at the front. And count how many teeth he's got. He's got 1, 2, 3. Right. So he's got one there. Like that. One line. And then another line here. Okay. Now then he's got his eyes, his pupils, full circles coloured in. Sometimes people do leave a little bit of a white bit to give them a shine. That usually makes them look a friendlier character. Maybe that's why Gnasher's got full circle. I've noticed his monobrows a little bit further down. That makes him look even more grumpy. And it goes out to the side a little bit more. Quite a bit more, actually. Okay. Now then, he's got a little bit under his chin. Oh, computer nearly went off there again. A crease under his chin there. And then that goes into there. And the same on this side. Make his little grin. Right, next. He's got hair on his, he's got bald legs with some hair on there. 3 on. Should have 3 on, but I've not fitted on there, have I? And then some on the back legs. Can only see 2 on that one. And there he is. So I'm not going to colour him in because that would be very boring. I will colour him in afterwards. So there's Gnasher. Cheeky Gnasher. So hope you enjoy this draw along. As I said earlier, feel free to ask me to draw something. Also, if you would like, you can send me your pictures and I will put them on my gallery on my Facebook page, Captain Cuthbert and Scat the Cat. I've noticed something I've missed off here. Oh, he's got hair on his side, his ears. So yes, look forward to seeing your pictures. Thank you very much for watching. If you check my playlist, which I'll put a link in, you will find cartoon workshops. There's a cartoon course where you'll find lots of different drawing videos on there. So thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Oh, as well, if you subscribe to that channel, you'll get notifications then of when I upload my next draw alongs. And if you could please give my video a like, that helps the video to be suggested to other people who may enjoy it. So thank you very much and see you next time.